This is Tech refrigeration and air conditioner specialist. Today I want to show you how to test this drain pump. It's a washing machine drain pump. If you look here, it uses 230 volts, 0.20 amps. Okay, so what's normally happen if this drain pump receives 220 to 230 volts? This fan is start to rotate. It's the one which takes out water from the washing machine. Okay, so we have a common problem with this drain pump for washing machine. Maybe your washing machine is not draining water. We have to take these steps to make sure your drain pump is it okay or it's bad. Right, so let's test it. Let's turn on our multimeter. Okay, our meter is on now. We have to select ohms. Here's the ohms, and then you take your meter and then put it here. All right, it shows us 206.7 ohms, so which means this drain pump is okay because there's a coil here inside. So the drain pump, it's okay. It gives us 200 and let's do it, 206.7 ohms. So our drain pump is okay. And then the other thing, we have to check this fan. Sometimes it breaks and then